Turn up clip at 30 plus. Me know your boss hungry. Me watch him bite the dust. They gonna walk like Chris despite the roast.
Boom, 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 boom. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Yo, viewers and subscribers, we back with the reaction. Them, we find out if I edit them without the laptop. And I still have a laptop at home. The company still not send the box, so I send it to them for them fix my laptop yet. January. But we have CJ and Santa Cruz. When the been a recommend that one, I'm gonna give it to you right now. There's a message. You know if you know. Comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post. And you'll know post every single day. How much time for the day? Numerous times for the day. 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. You see me I say, despite, as you can see, having a machine for do the videos, we still got to figure out time because we are post every day. Consistency will say we are going for 100k subscribers, guys. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, it's your first time I see my ugly face right now, please subscribe to the channel to help support the boy. As me I say, subscribe and like the video. The more you like your video, the more you like to put on the video, the more video recommends to more people, the more people will see the reaction boss down. So like out the bumbo bell video right now. Tear up the like button. Tear up the like button. Yeah. I don't know. Check out the artist on Instagram. You see, big up yourself, bro. God. We're going to do what? We're going to run tune.
Boss too.
One shot kill them, you too, bro. I can't find you. Big up on yourself. Them have a conversation in the comment section. Well, like, them my day one subscribers, the man they come from my vlog, I just post. I have to shout out the man them. Big up them man there in the dog. You see me, I say. The video just post, and the man the first man to comment on the video. Big up on yourself. Start out with the video. Run tune.
Boss too.
Somebody just have to shout them out too. Shout out to Trinidad live in the comment section. Yeah, big up yourself, bro. God. Run tune now, man. Bumbucklet. Him say want a shout out. Shout out. Big up yourself. Trinidad live. Can check him out if you don't want. Run tune.
Boss too. I the boss too, boss again.
Yeah.
Showtime. Remember, we not lost again. On the PFC. Santa Cruz, where we come from.
Hey, I could have 10 man son up clip at 30 plus. Me know your boss hungry, me watch him bite the dust. They gonna walk like Chris despite the roast. Resemble the sound, they were neither boss that. Find us I kill people, them a ball, them a beg Chinese too evil. Regular black Ford I fi kill people. Hey, yo showtime, you know the life how we live. Some of my dog rub, some of them kill. On the black Ford we a kill boy quick and round a Moraldo you could get
alright then.
Showtime, you know the life how we live. Some of my dog rub.
It's like a little party vibe, dog. You can't see that song in the shape, brother. You feel that song in a vibe, dog. You can't see that song in watch the video in something wrong with your dog. You know what I say? Go on.
Some of them kill. Down the river, the clip bend like fig.
Yeah.
Love with the handgun, love with the zig. Better not screw. When my pass lights dim down low, I feel wind down glass. If you look strange, your face rearrange. Your brat make him Mac 10 black.
You heard that? When you pass them on your ends, youth. When you yo, when back in that tune. I mean I swear them, I can't bother them thing there. That one look at AC. Run tune.
When my pass lights dim down low, I feel wind down
glass.
If you look strange, your face rearrange. Your brat make him Mac 10 black. First man, you never wild him. Bust it in a styling.
Yeah.
On your belly, call that the crocodile.
What?
Hold it down steady, we not for shoot. While we are come for your soul, coulda beg, coulda cry. Me a bust up me gun from a long time. No see my bad in a real life.
Yeah.
Man, I run like Sonic with the cheap times. Dog don't sleep in the street life. Hey, yo, showtime, you know the life how we live. Some of my dog rub, some of them kill. On the black Ford, we a kill boy quick and round a Moraldo, you could get fridge.
Yeah.
Showtime, you know the life how we live. Some of my dog rub, some of them kill. Down the river, the clip bend like fig. Me in love with the handgun, love with the zig. Yo, well I the boss too boss, you know.
Boss too, what is the story behind Boss too boss? Me every time, like every song, like not really every song, but I feel him saying that I don't know what I mean. Somebody tell me what I mean in the comment section. Like what? Boss too type gun, too boss. I don't know that. Boss too boss. I don't know what I mean. I don't know. Go on.
We not last, you know. So we there up on the BFC.
Yeah.
Santa Cruz, where we stay.
Young short time, you know the life how we live. Some of my dog rub, some of them kill. On the black Ford, we a kill boy quick and round. I'm a Raldo, you could get fridge. Short time, you know the life how we live. Some of my dog rub, some of them kill. Down the river, the clip bend like fig. Me in love with the handgun, love with the zig.
Bad. Is that white?
How the bus too bus?
Bust
How the bus too
I know what I mean by
bus?
that.
How the bus too bus? Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's a bad video. Some people check out the video for yourself again. For the artist channel, see if you don't want to go watch it again for yourself. Go over there, go drop a like again and go blow up the song again. Because like it's a hit song. It was a hit song when it just dropped. It's still a hit song. It's a vibe. You see me and shit and shake and me. Yeah, it's a vibe. You see me and say, so go over there again. Link to the original song down below in the description. And me and say, yeah. And people subscribe to the channel. As me say, like the video. More reactions are forward. Every day and I get them again. You don't know it chap. So one day when I post a reaction, I feel like it's a 1 year to buckle belt. But go and subscribe. I'll come to my next reaction for you right now. Had the boss 2 bars. I'm out.